Hello, Gavin Sykes with the floor stand adapter for BeoVision 740 to allow Visa TVs or LG CX or C9 panels 77, 65, 55 or 48 to be mounted on the motor floor stand. There are lots of mounting positions which allows the screen to go up and down to achieve a good height, and we're looking for somewhere around 550 millimeters from the floor to the underside of the screen. And the optional BeoSound Stage adapter can move up and down to any height on the stand. It's possible to keep the BeoLab 7.2 or BeoLab 7.4 with the LG. So I'm going to mount the screen and have a look at it right now. So I have the LG CX55 panel mounted, and as I said earlier, this stand will work for the 65 and the 77 as well. And we have here BeoSound Stage. The stand will of course work with 7.2 or 7.4. The screen is locked in a vertical position, but the stand can still turn manually at 70 degrees as normal. And then using the normal STB mounting system, it's possible to mount a decoder, an accessory box, maybe a converter of some kind, onto the rear side. So this is the adapter for BeoVision 740 floor stand to allow Visa or LG TVs with BeoSound Stage.